Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just coming back from a little walk with Ziggy. I'm just standing here listening to these wonderful birds in this tree. You can really hear them singing away. So that's one of the delights of having birds living around you. Anyway, Ziggy, say hello to everyone. Ziggy, who are you looking at? Okay, that's good looking. Say hello to everyone. Okay, that's Ziggy saying his hello. Alright guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free of charge, and see you in the next video.